In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your Calendly profile picture for 2025. Whether you're new to Calendly or just looking to update your profile picture, this guide will take you step by step through the process, ensuring you have everything you need to keep your profile looking professional and up to date. First, let's navigate to Calendly. You'll start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Calendly website. Once you're there, log into your account with your usual credentials to access your personalized dashboard. This is where we'll begin the process of updating your profile picture. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your current profile image or a placeholder there. It's easy to spot. Click on the drop-down menu beside it. This drop-down is your gateway to manage various aspects of your profile, and from here, you'll select Profile. In the Profile section, you'll see all your personal details neatly listed. To update your picture, look for the option that says Upload Picture. This is usually near your current image or placeholder. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select a new picture to upload. It's worth taking a moment to choose an image that best represents you or your brand, one that's clear, professional, and aligned with your purpose on Calendly. With your image selected, you'll see it displayed in the Upload tool. Make sure it's cropped to your liking using the cropping tools provided. Next, find the button labeled Apply. Click on it to confirm the changes you've made. Once you've applied your changes, there's one final step to ensure everything is saved correctly. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this finalizes your updates and refreshes your profile, showcasing your new picture. And there you have it. Your Calendly profile now boasts a fresh, updated photo. You've successfully completed a key personalization task, helping you present the image you desire to your clients and colleagues. Keeping your profile updated is simple yet essential for maintaining a professional appearance and staying connected with your network. Updating your profile picture is just one of many ways you can personalize your Calendly account to better suit your professional needs. It's a quick task that makes a lasting impression. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, a well-maintained profile can open new professional doors. Have a great day and happy scheduling with your updated profile picture.